In this video, I've got an update for you on my Amazon affiliate website, bestroofbox.com. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the latest changes to the site, as well as how much money it's been earning and how much traffic it's been getting. For those of you that are new here, bestroofbox.com is an affiliate site that I launched back in March last year. And since then, I've just been sharing everything that I've been doing on the site with all you guys on YouTube. If you want to get yourself up to speed with everything that I've been doing on the site, do check out the bestroofbox.com playlist. I'll put a link up to it now. In there, you'll find all the videos to do with the site, including the first one, which is a full-length tutorial on exactly how I created the site. So anyway, January's done. And, well, January's a tricky month, isn't it? People are feeling a little bit skint after Christmas. They spent all their money on Black Friday. And if I'm honest, I've been feeling this a little bit on the site. Earnings are down a little bit on December, and just generally growth has slowed down a bit. It's not as strong as it was at the end of 2019. But I will be going into detail on all that in this video, so be sure to keep watching. So before we jump into the video, I've got one last thing to say. If you're not already subscribed, why not do so right now? Just click that button below. Make sure you click the bell, then you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Try and do a video every single week. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. It really does help me out. The YouTube algorithm seems to have a thing for like buttons. So yeah, clicking it really helps me and it helps other people find my videos. So really appreciate it if you do that. But anyway, I think that's enough intro. Let's get on with the video. So let me start by sharing with you some of the changes I've made to the site. First thing is I've added some more content. And this content was based on some keywords that I purchased from an organisation called keywordcare.com. Keyword Care was founded by WP Eagle regular Carl Broadbent, and it's a fantastic service, if I'm honest. Carl provides you with some really good keywords. And, well, I tested it out actually the other day, and I put a video up, I think it was yesterday. I'll put a link to it now. If you want all the details on the service, do check out that video. But to cut a long story short, Carl gave me some keywords. I created some articles around those keywords, published them to the site, and within a couple of weeks, 8 out of the 10 articles were on the first page of Google. 2 of those 8 had the top spot with the snippet. So yeah, really blew me away. Fantastic service. Go check it out. If you saw my video the other week, you'll know I've been playing around with a new plugin called AWP or AWP, which is a fantastic little plugin. It uses the Amazon API and enables you to create these great looking tables really quickly and easily. So since discovering this plugin, I've been going through some of the older content that had tables and switching it over to these new AWP tables. I think these tables look fantastic. They do have a few limitations though, I should say. If you've got more than 6 products in a table, they're not that good. But if you've got less than 6, then yeah, they look fantastic. They use the API, so they update dynamically. And they're a lot easier to put together than tables that I was using, which they were created with the Ultimate add-ons for Elementor plugin. I mean, that is good. I do like that. But yeah, these tables, I think they look good. Fully responsive, update automatically. You know, what's not to like? By the way, I created 2 videos around that plugin. I'll put links to them in the description. I'll put a link up now to the tutorial one, which shows you exactly how I added the tables to bestroofbox.com. So they were the main changes, more content and new tables. Let's get on with some of the figures in terms of how much traffic the site's getting now and how much money it's been earning. So let's start with traffic. I'll put analytics up now. So as you can see, traffic is still growing. It's not growing as quickly as it was, but you know, growth is growth, I guess. If we look at the actual details, we can see that there was 5,717 users in January. That was up 27%. Number of sessions was up to 7,460. That's up 29%. And page views, well, that's jumped up quite a bit. That's up to 13,430 page views in January. That's up 35%. If I drill down into organic traffic, which is the main source of traffic, that also takes away any direct or referral traffic, which could be coming from YouTube, could be coming from these videos, and could be skewing it slightly. Organic traffic is all proper Roofbox traffic, and that's up to 4,468 for the month, which makes up 77% of the total traffic to the site, and it's up 37%. So traffic, yeah, still looking pretty decent. And with all these new articles that I've been adding, I'm sure it's going to continue to increase, hopefully at a faster rate. So let's get into the money. I'm going to put the Amazon earnings up now. And yeah, they're down slightly on December, down to 279 and 3 cents from Amazon.com. I'll take a look at Amazon.co.uk. It was £41.52, which at today's exchange rate converts into around $54. And Google AdSense has nearly broken the $20 mark. We're up to $19.28 there. So if we add all that together, the total comes to $352.21. So there you have it. $350 or so for the month. Not too bad. Down around $50 on last month. Although February is already looking promising. If we just have a quick look at February on the Amazon.com earnings, we can see that we're already up to $35.92 for February. And, well, it's only February the 5th, so I think February is going to show some promise and hopefully give us better results than January. But February's a kind of funny month as well. It's only got, 28 days, or is it 29 days this year? I never know. It's shorter than the rest of the months, I know that. So, well, we'll wait and see. So that brings us to the end of this video. Hope you found it useful. I'd love to know how your affiliate websites are performing. How did they do in January? Leave a comment below, let me know. I do read all the comments that I get, and I'll try to reply to as many as I possibly can. If you're not already subscribed, you can do so by clicking on my face. Why not check out my vlog channel? You can do so by clicking on my other face. It's up there somewhere. And here are a couple more videos. They've been chosen specially for you, so I hope you enjoy them. Until next time, bye for now.